Hey guys, Cam from BBQ Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to answer those questions you may have online or in store. Question I often get asked is, barbecue comps, how do I go about entering and what do I need to take? Now, the main sanctioning body in Australia for barbecue is the Australian Barbecue Alliance. There's comps all year round that you can register for. Obviously, there is a fee and you need up to 4 teammates. You can do it alone. I know my comp team, Flaming Coals Barbecue team, one of our members has done it by themselves, although I do suggest having at least 2 to 3 members. Now on that, preparation is key. So preparing means lists. Only take the key things that you need. I always try to get fresh rubs, as you can see here, and fresh sauces. I just find starting fresh is the easiest thing to do. Plan your proteins, know when to put them on, know when to be wrapping, and know when to serve or when to box up and get ready to go. Now my first comp was obviously a bit of a schmozzle because I was steering blind. So everything was ready a little bit earlier, I had to hold it over a little bit too long, I had the box ready way too early. So learn from others' mistakes is another thing. Ask people. Us here in the comp scene, most of us are really good at giving out information and we want to see everyone succeed and see the scene grow. Now if you have any more questions about this, make sure you hit us up and we'll speak soon.